This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Justine Lamella. Pool Community. Beautiful 3-bedroom/2 bath with no rear neighbors. Newer air conditioner 2016. Brand new water heater 2020. New dishwasher in 2020. Vinyl flooring in the living room. Open floor plan west/granite kitchen. Newer appliances west/travertine tile backsplash and large breakfast bar overlooking living room and eat-in space and kitchen. Living room has a bright inviting feel with sliders out to your private backyard oasis, including an extended titled patio with pergola and vinyl privacy fence. The master suite is large west/walk-in closet. Master bath ensuite has a deep garden tub with shower. 2 secondary bedrooms are also good size. Newer lighting and ceiling fans make this home feel newer. Commuting is easy with so many access opportunities. Close to shopping, restaurants and movie theater. The community pool is amazing. Perfect opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Justine Lamella at 813-802-7433.